Good morning, class 11. Let's start. We are going to talk about balancing a redox reaction by oxidation number method. First, we are going to study the points under this. So, first point, we have to write the skeletal equation given. Okay, next, we have to identify the oxidizing and the reducing agents in the given equation. Third, calculate the decrease in oxidation number in case of the oxidizing agent. Let the decrease be x and calculate the increase in oxidation number in case of the reducing agent. Let the increase be y. Okay, next step what we have to do, we have to multiply oxidizing agent by y, okay, and reducing agent by x. And next step we have to balance the equation atom wise except hydrogen and oxygen. Last step, balance the equation with respect to the charges depending on the nature of the medium. Now, if the medium is acidic medium, we have to use H positive and water. H positive we have to add on that side which contains lesser positive ions and more negative ions, and water will be added on the opposite side. Okay, and if the medium is basic, we have to use OH negative and H2O. So OH negative will be adding on that side which contains lesser negative ions and more positive ions, and definitely water we are going to add on the opposite side, right? So one example we are going to do under this oxidation number method. So equation is given as this: MnO4 minus plus Br negative arrow MnO2 plus BrO3 negative. Okay, so the medium that is given here is basic. It is basic medium. First of all, we have to identify which is the oxidizing and which is the reducing agent. So oxidizing agent means which one? Which undergoes decrease in the oxidation number, and reducing agent are the ones that undergoes increase in the oxidation number. So if we calculate the oxidation number of manganese, on the left hand side it is your +7 and right hand side it will be your +4. That means manganese undergoes reduction from +7 to +4. That means it undergoes decrease in oxidation number. So this one will be my oxidizing agent. MnO4 negative will be my oxidizing agent. So decrease in oxidation number by how much? We are going to calculate their change by 3 per atom. Means for one manganese atom we are having the decrease in oxidation number by 3. Next, when we consider the oxidation number of bromine atom, left hand side it is -1, right hand side it is +5. So bromine undergoes increase in the oxidation number. That means bromine is getting oxidized, or I can say bromine is the reducing agent in this equation. So increase in oxidation number by how much? The change will be by 6 per atom of bromine. Okay, now we have to multiply MnO4 by 6 and Br negative by 3. As I have already spoken about that in the rules. Or I can take the common. I can write here as 2 MnO4 minus plus Br negative arrow MnO2 plus bromate ion. Now the equation is balanced atom wise except oxygen and hydrogen. Left hand side we have 2 manganese, right hand side also we are having 2 manganese. Left hand side I am having 1 bromine, right hand side also I am having 1 bromine. Now it's time to balance oxygen. So the medium is given as basic medium. We have to add hydroxyl ions and water. Now hydroxyl ions, which side we are going to add? That contains lesser negative ion or more positive ions. So here we can see the left hand side contains more number of negative ions. So OH negative will be added on the right hand side because it contains only one negative ion. That means water will be added on the opposite side. Now left hand side, what is the charge? Left hand side charge equals to -3. Right hand side, what is the charge? -1 for bromate and -1 for hydroxide. So if we multiply hydroxide by 2, then only my charge gets balanced on both the sides. right hand side also minus 3 charge and left hand side also minus 3 charge. And I think oxygen and hydrogen atoms are balanced. Left hand side oxygen we have 8, 9 oxygen on the left hand side. Here also 4, 7. Here also 9 oxygen on the left, on the right hand side, and hydrogen is 2 on the left hand side. On the right hand side also hydrogen is 2. So the equation is balanced. This is the way by which we have to balance equations under oxidation number method. Okay, so that's it, class 11. Thank you.